Hello everyone, this is DMC1130. It is a 1997 Toyota Chaser Tour V. This is being sold through our premium inventory. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. But I'm just going to take you around and show this beautiful thing off to you. Definitely don't see them in condition like this anymore. Crazy, it looks black on camera, but it's a dark green. Let me go over the roof yet before I get too carried away here. Grab that. Well, we got a car cover in the back coming with it. Nice. I love this extra trunk mat. Nice and tidy. Jack under there. And then the spare under here. Full-size spare. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.